Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to anonymize voices in your audios and videos. Cool. So we are on BGBlur.com, which is where you can find this feature. So I'm going to go to the feature section here and you can see we have the voice anonymizer. Yay. Let's click on this. And in this, let's click on try voice changer AI. And in this, you need to upload the file audio or video where you want to anonymize voice. So I want to work with video here and I'm going to click on this option here. I'm going to go to my videos and I'm going to find the 4-second video that I have that I want to try with this. Yeah, there you go. So I'm going to use this video here. And in this, you get a few options. In case you want a cartoon voice, chipmunk, robot, deep voice, ghost voice, you can go ahead and use this. So I'm going to do deep voice here. And then I'm going to click on Anonymise Voice. So your videos do need to have certain right formatting in order for it to work. Sometimes if you upload videos that are not supported, it might fail. And it's actually super fast. You can see the video is already ready. Let's hear it. So it changed the voice. I don't know if you can hear it. You should be able to hear it. But I'm gonna try it again.
Hey, it's been a while. So how's it going?
So there you go. You just anonymized your voice. I'm gonna try another one here. So I'm gonna click here and let's try some other kind of voice. Alright, same 4-second video, but I'm going to do cartoon this time and let's anonymize it. It's actually super fast to work with. So even if you have longer videos, it should be extremely fast to give you the output. So let's see how it looks like. It's not something that is foolproof. So if you have any feedback or if there's anything else you would want us to add or change in the product, please reach out to us. This is something that we're still building, but in case you have anything that you would want us to add in here, please go ahead and let us know. So cool, it's taking some time. I'm going to just be back once it's done. Alright, so video was ready quite some time back. I'm just gonna play it.
Hey, it's been a while. So how's it going?
Yeah, so this is how you use voice anonymization on BGBlur.com. If you guys have any questions, please let us know.